I decided to draw for 24 hours. Now I'm going to be honest with you, the intention of this isn't to draw well, it's just to draw. Because if I am going to draw for 24 hours, the last thing I want to be doing is be impressed about the quality. But yeah, anyway, let's get into the video. So I started at 9:15 with an hour of quick sketches. So each of these were about 2 minutes, and I got these references from quickposes.com. I just decided to do this as a warm-up to prepare for the rest of the day. Alright, so it is 10:40 and I'm gonna be doing some gesture drawings. So we'll see. I decided to do gesture drawings so that I could kind of practice proportions, which in hindsight now, it probably would have made more sense to have done this first. So when drawing heads, I usually use the Loomis method. I've been using it for years now, so it's kind of the most simplest one that I found. Out of all the faces I did, I like this one the most. Right now it is 1:30. Usually when drawing hands, I don't draw them this way, but for whatever reason, I decided to while I was drawing, and it flowed really naturally. So I'll probably keep drawing them like this, to be honest. Okay, next up is clothes. It is 2:38. I actually don't have a lot of experience with shading, so I decided to just give it a try with these two. And to be honest, I actually really enjoyed it. I really liked how they came out. Alright, just a quick update. So I've been drawing about 6 hours now. It is 3:45. I'm tired, I'm hungry, I need to eat. My eyes are a bit strained, so I kind of need to relax my eyes. So, see you in a bit. Cool. Now, the only part about drawing arms that I don't like is that I find it very difficult to find references that look good to me. So I'll literally just be scrolling for references for a while before I draw anything. Alright, we're about 9 hours in. It's 6:22. The sun has gone down now. Yeah, just quick update. It is currently 8:07.
For whatever reason, I have a pretty hard time drawing digitally. I don't know what it is, it just always feels off. But I do want to do it more. To be honest, I was just messing about here. Now for this part, I just decided that I wanted to attempt character design. I haven't actually taken the time to learn anything about character design, but I do find it very interesting, so I had a bunch of hours left, so I just decided that I wanted to try one. I need a lot more practice with coloring.
Yeah, so it's now 10:30.
I actually have no idea what I'm doing here, but I've seen artists do coloring where they do it in grayscale first, and then they add the colors in later. I just decided that I wanted to give it a go. I don't have enough experience to judge whether this was actually good or not, because to me it looks good. Obviously it can be better, and I'll try and work on it in the future. This was the first and last attempt at watercolor tonight. I'm not gonna blame it on the tools. I just have no idea what I'm doing with it. This is also something else that I need to take time to learn about. It is currently 2:38. Alright, it's currently 4 a.m. Oh my days. Alright, so at this point it was about 7 a.m. I got too tired to remember to do updates, so pretty much from 4 I stopped doing them. I just decided that I wanted to do some full body poses with some light clothing and coloring / shading. That's 24 hours. I'm done. I'm tired. I'm going to bed. Here we go. 9:19, Wednesday the 29th. Yep. So yeah, peace.